Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing this figure from Inside Out and the character is Anger. This figure is made by Takara Tomy toys. Let's go ahead and see further. With this figure is included also a newspaper, and as you can see, Anger is pretty upset reading all this news. No dessert, first day of school, and cool girls. It's pretty awesome that they include this newspaper with him, makes this figure even more special. The figure is mainly made by plastic, and he does have some articulation on the hands. Of course, he does have the flame on top of his head where you can press it in and it pops out when he's angry. Of course, the figure has a real shirt, and here you can see there is a button where you can switch it on and off. And let's go ahead and hear some of his expressions when he's angry.
Oh, I'll show you attitude, old man. You want a piece of this, Pops? Come and get it! Oh, come on. Great. This is just great. Now. Ah! Yay! Whoa! Uh-oh! Yay! Whoa! Uh-oh!
In general, I think this figure is very accurate to the movie. He really looks like he came out of there. I love that he's coming with his newspaper, and it's a great addition for any collection. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. Thank you!